In today's video, we'll discuss how to use Chase points for Southwest Airlines. Watch until the end of the video to learn more about transferring and using your Chase points. Southwest Airlines is a travel partner available through the Chase Ultimate Rewards program, which means you can transfer your Chase points to Southwest at a 1:1 ratio and use them to book flights. Here's how to transfer and use Chase points on Southwest. First, visit chase.com and log in with your credentials. You can find the link in the description. Once logged in, navigate to the Ultimate Rewards page and select the card whose points you want to transfer. Click on the Travel tab in the upper navigation bar. This will reveal a drop-down menu where you need to select Transfer Points to Partners in the Airline section. Choose Southwest Airlines. Enter your Southwest Airlines Rapid Rewards account number and the number of points you wish to transfer. Keep in mind that points can only be transferred in increments of 1,000. Once you have entered the required details, submit the transfer request. The process is typically instant, but it may take up to 7 business days to complete. And there you have it. That's how you can transfer and use Chase points for Southwest. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.